What's up, everybody, man? Y'all check out my new crushing spot, man. Look, already through the gate, man. It's already got big old mud pedals already, y'all. So I guess I'm crushing these crappy cars on the right and probably some of those that's on the left. So this is my new hellhole, man, for today, y'all. I'm already done with Joppa. I'm already up out of that place. Glad to be gone out that place. Man. Glad to be gone at that place. Alright, I gotta move some stuff around. I'm gonna have to move this around right here regardless. Hope I don't catch no blowout moving this stuff. Should be okay. Man. So yeah, man, y'all, man, I had another blast over weekend again, man. Y'all, man, I think this chick really digging me, man, on the cool, y'all. I really think she's is, man. Cause this chick has been at my house all weekend. All weekend she's been at my house. But you know, hey, it is what it is, man. It's what it is. Man, like I say, man, all I can say, man, that girl right there, man, she showed me another good time, man. She took me to a place where I have never been. And I tell y'all, man, it's nothing but just fun, man. No drama, no nothing. Everything is just all fun, man, the way it's supposed to be. Man, it is what it is, y'all. Man, I hope everybody had a great weekend too also. Man, now it's just trying to figure out how they're gonna get this forklift moved. That way I can get my crush up off of here, because that's what I'm actually trying to do right now. Get my crush up off in here. If I get it off in here, I think that'll be A-okay. Trying to get whoever this is to move this forklift here. That way, that way the truck driver he can actually get out. For the time being, I think I'm just gonna stick that right up over there for the time being. All right, that's good enough there. See if I get my crush up off in here. Yeah, man, there's so much stuff we gotta move out the way. Jesus Christ. That way we can try to get my crush up off in here. That's what we're trying to work on right now. So get that up off in here. See how well that's gonna sit right there. Perfect. Perfect. That is perfect right there. Alright, y'all hold up. Here she come, man. She's slowly coming in. Yeah, cause there's another crusher crew right here behind us. I don't know who these guys are, but they got a crusher back there. But the crusher looks like it's been sitting in the ground for so long, man. It's like it's there, man. It's there. I had to show it to you guys probably later on or something. So right now, I'm trying to see if we get the crush up off of here. Come on, Joel. Come on, come on. Finally, there she is there. Finally, man. I sure hate it, but I'm at the end up crushing sideways, y'all. I sure hate it, but it is what it is, man. Good God Almighty, this is not gonna be good. It's just not gonna be good at all. It's just not. Tell me go in some more. Come on, come in some more. Come in some more. Come in some more. right there. That's good right there, y'all. It is what it is, man. Alright, y'all, we finna try to pull him out the mud, man. He done got stuck up off in the mud. There you go, he finally got it. This place right here is a doomsday. It is a doomsday, y'all. It really is. It's a doomsday in this place. Yeah, he need to turn his wheels. Turn, turn, turn. Come on, come on. Ooh, we cut it close on their mirror, baby. We cut it close on their mirror. Man, it is what it is. Y'all know what time it is, man. Gotta pull everybody out, man. It is what it is. I'll holler back at y'all, man. Peace.